Get ready to experience the all-new 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander, the SUV that's taking the market by storm. The Toyota Highlander has been a reliable three-row crossover for years, but its lack of space in the back seats has left it lagging behind popular rivals like the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade. The new Toyota Grand Highlander SUV addresses this issue, offering significantly more space and three different powertrain options in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations. The hybrid engines, including the Hybrid Max variant, provide impressive horsepower and torque, with Toyota claiming that the Grand Highlander with this setup is the most powerful midsize SUV it has ever produced. While it may not be as rugged as the 4Runner, the Grand Highlander offers multi-terrain select on certain AWD models for mild adventuring. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the exterior features that set this vehicle apart from the competition. Starting at the front, you'll notice the refreshed and bold front grille design. It features a sleek and modern design with a striking honeycomb pattern that's sure to turn heads. The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander also comes equipped with LED headlights that provide a powerful beam of light to help you see further and drive safer. These headlights are not only functional, but also add a touch of elegance to the vehicle's overall look. The Toyota Grand Highlander draws inspiration from the familiar Highlander shape, but features a trapezoidal, hammerhead front grille and a sharper bumper at the back. The SUV has a robust, muscular appearance with a bold front stance and body-colored rear pillars and roof rails. The base model has 18-inch wheels, while the mid-range limited models feature 20-inch wheels, LED DRLs and fog lamps, and power-folding exterior mirrors. The top-spec Platinum models come with a panoramic moonroof as standard, while Hybrid Max models have dual exhaust outlets and bespoke front and rear bumpers. The squared-off look of the Grand Highlander emphasizes its size and space and is simple yet pleasing to the eye. While we don't yet know the full range of exterior colors available, the images we've seen showcase a unique blue hue similar to moon dust and blueprint. For more details, starting at the front, you'll notice the refreshed and bold front grille design. It features a sleek and modern design with a striking honeycomb pattern that's sure to turn heads. The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander also comes equipped with LED headlights that provide a powerful beam of light to help you see further and drive safer. These headlights are not only functional, but also add a touch of elegance to the vehicle's overall look. The side profile of the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander has been revamped as well. You'll notice the sleek, aerodynamic lines that give the vehicle a sporty and modern look. The wheel arches have also been enlarged, allowing for larger wheels that provide a smoother ride and improved handling. Finally, the back of the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander has also been updated with a redesigned rear spoiler and taillights that give the vehicle a more sophisticated and upscale look. The taillights feature LED technology, providing better visibility to other drivers and adding to the overall safety of the vehicle. The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander is the ultimate SUV for those who demand the best in both style and performance. With its refreshed and bold exterior design, this vehicle is sure to turn heads wherever you go. To watch a totally full review of 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander, watch the next recommended video.